Hi, I'm Shania. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make marinade cheese. Let's look at the ingredients. Quarter cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, 3 tablespoons chopped green onion, 3 tablespoons chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3/4 teaspoon dry basil, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 package cheddar cheese and 1 package cream cheese. Let's go start to make this marinade. Let's go grab we start the quarter cup olive oil. Now we add 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. Now we add 3 tablespoons chopped parsley. We add the garlic, the chopped green onion, the dry basil, the crushed red pepper. Now we add half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, and we add 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay, let's go combine everything. This is a great appetizer, and it's much better if you do at least 1 hour in advance, so the cheese can be marinated with this parsley, all this stuff. Okay, let's go grab a plate. Okay, we start with the cream cheese. Like I said before, it's very cold. It's working much better. You can cut in better slice. Now I put the cheddar cheese. I do 1 more cream cheese, like this one. Okay, cheddar cheese, cream cheese. Okay, and the last one we do 1 more cream cheese. Okay, let's go mix again all together well. Okay, let's go grab a spoon. And just you do like this one. Actually, it's much better if you cover almost all the cheese with this marinade. Okay. Now let's go clean a little bit this plate. Okay, voila! Your marinade cheese is ready. And don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel for more great recipes. Bye bye!